Share na ta sa kopya ha. Consecration of Mary, Our Lady of Mystical Rose. Kantanan, Mary, the Father, Son, and Spirit to overshadow and empower you. His Son, as your child, to depend on you. I give my whole self to you. I consecrate to you, O Mother of Queen, my body with all its senses, my soul with all its faculties, my heart with all its affection, for you to give to Jesus and mold to his likeness. Take all that I am, that I have, that I do, and give this to the Holy Spirit to form Jesus in me. At the foot of the cross, he entrusted me to you. Take and unite me to Jesus, crucified and humbly obedient to the Father. Fully yielded to the